today's assignment. So the interior looks fantastic. Take a look at that. That looks horrible. So today, I'm gonna sand this sucker down. Gonna have probably John, my brother, come over. We're gonna paint this thing. I want you to take a good look at this now, because hopefully you're gonna go, wow, how shiny could you possibly make it? And I'm gonna say, yes, that's what we did. And right now it's just the overspray from somebody else here. I'm trying to clean that all off so I don't have to change those emblems. And that's it. Let's see how it goes. So it turns out that the sanding wasn't too difficult, just very time consuming. As you see, it's going along here, but I did have to take it off the car so I can do the bottom section. And then by hand, had to get into the little grooves there. But it came out pretty easy, and it looks pretty good. So I think I'm pretty done sanding. Then I came across this part here. Looks like, I don't know, it's really bent up. And the best way that I know how to fix it is the Dremel. So while we're waiting for this coat to dry, we put the two new, I don't know what they're called, cable bed holders. Got Tom's helping with the paint. So far, that's the primer on. This is the final coat. We didn't do the clear coat. Came out pretty good. No problems at all. Except for that drip. Oh, it went away. It went away. The drip. Okay, there's no more drip. I don't see it anymore.
It's dry. Once
it's dry, look at that. Look at that. I just changed the air filter. The other one was pretty nasty. And I took this part off here. And I look in here, and it's all full of leaves. That's what my car should be. Well, my car should not be sized in leaves. That's what I'm trying to get at. So I think that's it.
Nice.
Tom's fixing the window switch. It goes down, but not back up. So we bought a new one. We bought a new switch, and he's gonna pop that thing in.
This connector.
All right, just don't break the truck. He got it.
Okay.
He's a electrical engineer. He knows all this stuff already. All right. So you got these holes here on the edge of the truck, and then I found out you can get these things. This one is called a bully ring. Oops. So you can tie stuff down on the top of the truck. So I'm gonna get that in there right now. Doesn't look too difficult. Okay, I got it on. Pretty cool. They go up, they go down. Got one on both sides. Bam. Bam. But now, looks like there's two more here, but I don't know. I gotta figure out how to, I guess you just pry that cover off. Okay, I'll take a look. Okay, you saw what the truck tailgate looked like before? Bam! New truck. And as a bonus, it's locked. And as an added bonus, soft close. Put a little shock absorber here. Holds it. Ta-da! Hey, my niece. Hello. That's it.
All right.
All right. So I did a lot of little stuff to the car today. The last thing I got is these remote control key fob things. Found it online. They're very cheap, like 14 bucks for two. But the one that I have is only have one, and it's all faded and everything. So I figured I'd get a nice, brand new, shiny one. To program it, it said, let's see if we got this right. It says, open your door. Unlock the car. Don't press the brake or anything. And you turn it to the on position 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I hit the lock button. And no, didn't work. I'll try it a few more times. I think I almost got it. This is it. I'll try it one more time. So I looked at the instructions again. I don't think I'm doing it fast enough. It has to be within 10 seconds. Okay, so here we go. I just heard it. Unlock. All right. I think that worked. Let's try it. Yes. Lock. Unlock. Lock. That's it. It was easy. I take it all back. You gotta follow instructions. Oh, I gotta do the second one. Remote. Okay, I got your remote. You gotta do it again. You don't need to see this one. Actually, one quick note. When you do the programming and you program one really quickly, you gotta program the second one too at the same time. Because I programmed this one, then I programmed this one. So now this one stopped working. So I had to do it again, and you gotta program this one at the same time. Then you hit that one also. Well, you hit this one first, it's gonna work, and then you hit that one, then it's gonna work. But it was pretty simple. Just follow the instructions. Okay, so I'm done for today. Programmed the 2 remotes. This one had a screw that the head was broken off. Tom used his super drilling dental skills, so we got that screw out and put a new screw in. I put in these bull rings so you can tie down stuff. And of course, boom, the tailgate, which looks fantastic. This part will probably be next. I just want to fix that. Looks yucky. Oh wait, that's locked. I'm not working anymore. There we go. Unlock. This switch here wasn't working. It could only go down, wouldn't go up. We replaced that with a new switch. And the air filter. I did the air filter in the front of the car. And that's about it for today. So next thing is going to probably be, maybe I'll get some running boards for the side here, because my wife complains about trying to jump into this high truck. But I think so far it's starting to look like a truck. Oh wait, this ugly bumper, and our headlights are very faded. I could try cleaning those or just buy new ones. I think they're pretty inexpensive. All right, well, that's it.